This is Susan Muita with True Living Show, which comes via Sky Cable TV. On this video, we are continuing on COVID-19 or coronavirus, which is a virus which has brought a lot of suffering. It also has brought a lot of issues, and it's a pandemic. We have been on this since 2019, so it's a whole year since the pandemic came in, and we are wrapping up because on a few videos we have done on coronavirus, we started on explaining how this virus gets on to us, to people, and what is the coronavirus or what is COVID-19. Then we also talked about the transmission. Then we also talked about the tests. We also talked about the symptoms. We also talked about how to prevent it. And now we'll talk more of do's and don'ts of COVID-19. So what do we say do's and don'ts? First of all, do's is just listen to what is going on. Just know what is this disease, how it is transmitted, know the symptoms. Another do is listen to your government, listen to the authority people, what they are saying. Another do's, wash your hands all the time, sanitize your hands, wear a mask. Another do is do social distancing. Then let's switch a little more on the don'ts. Don'ts is don't gather into places where there are so many people mingling around, because this disease, as we said, this virus, this one is seen under the microscope. You cannot see it. You don't know who is sick. Some people, they show their symptoms between 2 to 14 days. So you might go to somebody and they don't show the symptoms, but yet they can transmit the disease to you. So don't congregate on places. Don't go shaking hands. Don't go touching surfaces. We'll switch backs and do's. Another do is get a vaccine if you can. Another do is eat healthy, exercise, boost up your immune. Another do is disinfect places, wash your hands. Other don'ts, don't carry your mask and put it on your pocket, and then when you see the policeman, that's when you remove it and quickly you put it on your on your face. Another don't, wear the mask the right way. Don't wear it on your chin or just on the mouth. Just do it like Miss True Living she's doing. Let's go back to do's. Do what you're told to do. Do social distancing. Wash your hands. Stay at home. Other don'ts. Don't get out where there is curfew or there is lockdown. Stay locked down. That's a do. Stay home where you are told. If it's at work, do social distancing. Try to use your own items on your own. Don't share things. Another do, when you feel like you have fever or you have chills, take your thermometer, take your temperature, A thermometer, you can get it from a store. You can also buy it on a chemist or a pharmacy. Get one, keep it for yourself, just in case, your family member might feel warm or might be a suspect of the coronavirus, COVID-19. You at home, you can easily check the temperature. Another do is know when the temperature is high. Know how to read the thermometer. If the temperature is above 100.3 Fahrenheit, just go for a test. If it's 37.94 centigrade degrees Celsius, go for a test. Another do is, if you work or you take care of sick people and you might be in a place where there are sick people, use precautions. Do as much as possible all the precautions which you can be able to do. Avoid congested areas, avoid going places, avoid not wearing mask. That's a don't. Make sure you boost your immune. Make sure you disinfect dirty places or areas which might be infected, or the surfaces where there might be the COVID-19 virus. Try to make it simple. If your local authority or your government says whatever, listen to the advice. Listen also to whatever news is being said about COVID-19. Research about it. Talk to people who knows about it. Try to stay safe all the time. If you have any other kind of sickness, get treatment. If you can't breathe, go to the hospital. Look for help. If you have to get oxygen for you to survive, get it. Be ready. Sanitize your hands. Wash your hands. Be careful. Learn more about COVID-19. Learn more about the vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine. Also, another way to boost your immune, get all the other immunizations. If you are in a place where there is another type of flu, get treated or get a vaccine for that so that you can stay healthy. Do what you're supposed to do. Talk to people. They will let you know. Isolate yourself. Take care of yourself and know that this is a pandemic. But if things are done the right way, if we follow what we are supposed to do, this will stop the spreading of this disease. This disease might go away. Try your best. Let everybody do the best they can. And then things will happen the right way. And thank you so much. This show comes every Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern African time and 1 p.m. Eastern time. Don't forget to subscribe, press the likes button and comment, and thank you so much.